Hello, Adam. Hello, Annie. I want to introduce an assignment that you're going to be doing for science. This will be graded. Again, this will be graded, and this will be due on Sunday at noon. Sunday at noon. This will be graded. What you're looking at is the rubric. I will attach this to the assignment when I release it on Google Classroom. It tells you everything that you need to get the score that you want. If you want 100%, then it needs to be 15 questions. Only 7 can be true or false, and I'm going to explain what you're going to be doing. But just read through each of these. So you need 15 questions, you need correct grammar, you need 5 pictures. If you want a very good, this is how it goes. And then it goes down from there. So what you're going to be doing is making a Google quiz. So what I would like to show you is that when you go to your waffle, you can go down here to Google Forms, and you will open a blank quiz, or you can change it to a quiz, but you're going to be making a quiz based on a unit that I will assign. When I write you your personal email, I will assign the unit. For Adam, it will be a unit in the grade 8 book, and for Annie, it will be a unit in the grade 7 book. And you're going to make a quiz as if you were the teacher. I have made quizzes like this before, and you guys are going to do the same. So let's say I give you, let's say it's year 8, unit 7. What is unit 7 in year 8? I don't know. We'll just say reactions. Okay? And then you need to come up with questions. You cannot use the questions from the book, but you need to read through, come up with your own questions about the unit in the material. I want to give you a real example, so I'm actually going to choose Unit 9 from the Year 8 book. This could be a very simple question. So in the book it says iron and sulfur have reacted together to form a new substance. This is called a chemical reaction. So what I could say is iron plus sulfur makes, and then that is the question. So to get your full points, you need to add the answer. So you could make this either a multiple choice, or you could make this a short answer, but you do need to assign it a point value. You do need to write, so the correct answer is iron sulfide. This is cap sensitive, so I went in and I added the same thing but with different caps. This is optional whether or not. Okay, that's your first question. Now it also says that you need to add pictures, so you can add pictures by saving and dropping here. Depending on your score, you need to add pictures. Now once you have created your 15 questions, or however many you're going to make, you can very easily you just go to add a collaborator. I don't want you to send it to me. I want you to add a collaborator, and then you can look for me. See, I am right there, and you can add me as an editor so I can see your test that you're going to create. So again, you're creating a test based off of a unit that I will assign you, and you need to use this rubric to get the score that you want. So you need to come up with 15 questions. You need to put correct answers for the 15 questions, and you need to make sure that you have correct spelling, punctuation, and at least 5 pictures. So that's what you're going to be doing. Again, this will be due Sunday at noon, and it will be graded. Sunday at noon, and it will be graded. Thank you.